First things first, let's preheat your oven to 350 degrees. A baking sheet is your best friend here, so go ahead and line it with parchment paper. Now, grab a small saucepan. Over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. As it starts to bubble and sizzle, add a 1/4 cup of honey and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt into the mix. Stir it up until it's all nicely combined. And for those of you who like a little kick, feel free to throw in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now this is where the peanuts come in. You're going to need 2 cups of raw, shelled peanuts. Place them in a large bowl and pour your honey butter mixture over them. Give it a good stir until every single peanut is coated in that sweet, buttery glaze. Next, spread the coated peanuts in a single layer on your prepared baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir them every 5 minutes to ensure even cooking and to prevent them from sticking. Once they're golden and fragrant, remove the peanuts from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet. They'll become crunchy as they cool. If you find any clumps of peanuts, don't hesitate to break them apart. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.